This
See the
dog
dog
just
wander into
showed up in our yard one
family's
day.
farm.
We're not close to any other
We
houses.
are not close
Post
and
on the
another
local Facebook page for lost
post
pets.
local Facebook page.
Within the hour, somebody saw it and said, "Oh, that's Bubbles. That's my aunt and uncle's dog." And all she responded was, "They don't want her." They had her for 7 years. I was literally crying about it. We needed to keep her because I wanted to make sure that she wasn't going to be given up like that again. Louie, my son, dogs are one of his favorite things in the world.
Yeah, Bubbles.
She's so gentle with him. Their favorite thing to do together was playing with the hose. I'd just sit there and watch them. She just fit in perfectly.